Welcome to Industrial Trainer, your go-to channel for career development and industry insights. In today's video, we'll talking on the why analysis, also known as the 5 whys, an essential problem-solving tool to uncover the root cause of any issue. Why analysis, often called the 5 whys, is a powerful technique to determine the real cause of a problem. The core idea: keep asking why until you find the root cause, usually about 5 times, instead of just managing symptoms. This method ensures you address the underlying issue. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step in a why analysis is clearly defining the problem. Ask yourself key questions: what is the problem? Where and when is it happening? And who is affected? This forms the basis of your analysis, giving you a clear understanding of what you're tackling. Step 2. Ask why questions. Once you've identified the problem, start asking why questions to dig deeper. Keep going until you reach the root cause. For instance, if the production line is slow, we ask, why is it slow? Why are the machines underperforming? Why is there a lack of maintenance? Keep digging until you get to the root of the problem. Step 3. Evaluate the causes. After identifying possible causes, it's time to evaluate them. Check if each cause is backed by data. Prioritize, eliminate unlikely causes, and analyze the rest. This ensures that your solution tackles the root cause, not just the surface issues. Step 4. Verify the root cause. Once you think you've found the root cause, verify it. Check for consistency between the cause and the problem. Gather additional data, test your findings, and seek feedback. This helps you avoid fixing the symptoms while leaving the real problem unresolved. Step 5. Implement the solution. Now that you've verified the root cause, it's time to implement a solution. Develop a clear plan, assign responsibilities, and allocate resources. Remember to continuously monitor the results to ensure the solution is effective and sustainable. Let's take a practical example. There's no light in a building. You could simply replace the breaker, but if you don't find the real reason, the problem might come back. We ask why the breaker blew, why there was an overload, why too many appliances were plugged in, and so on. By the end, we determine a better process for managing appliance usage. So, when should you use the 5 why analysis? It's best for situations like quality control, process improvement, maintenance, customer complaints, and root cause analysis in any field. Essentially, if you're looking to find the true reason behind recurring issues, why analysis is the perfect tool. To sum up, the why analysis is a simple yet effective tool that helps identify the root cause of problems and implement solutions that last. It's a must-have method for any business or process improvement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Industrial Trainer for more industry tips and insights.